Noryangjin metro station here on the south side of the Han River. We are on the way actually to the Noryangjin Fisheries Wholesale Market for dinner. Yeah guys, I mean we went back to the hotel to check in, refresh a bit because yeah, I told you we've been up the whole night flying from Hong Kong to Seoul. Had a little bit problems this morning. Yeah, and took a little nap. Feel much better now. I mean the eyes are still burning, but yeah, hell. We're in Seoul, right? Yeah, we are getting close to the fish market. I can smell the fresh fish already downstairs. Alright, here we are. This is where we're going to choose our dinner tonight, dead or alive. Abalone, mussel, flesh, octopus, oysters, crabs. Yeah, we even have sea urchin here. Check this out. Okay, well, we ordered 7 of these bad boys here. We have baby octopus and we have a big chunk of this fresh salmon here, sashimi style. So I don't know how, when, I don't know even where they are right now. But yeah, I'm pretty curious and I'm looking forward, there they are, to the dinner. Alright, now we are going upstairs. There's the lady responsible for our purchase. Smokers lounge.
새우 바베큐.
Yeah, barbecue.
낙지 사시미.
Yeah, and here we have them, the baby octopus arrived. You can see it's still moving. So I'm pretty curious how it's gonna taste. 4 pieces was 10,000 won. Okay, guys, it's moving the most. Yeah, this bad boy. Let's get down.
The sesame seeds, nice oil. Once you bite on it, it starts moving. So nice.
I know, don't play with your food. I know. Oh yeah, and here are the barbecued shrimps or prawns. Yeah, and that's our dinner actually, guys. 35,000 won. All fresh and alive. Partially. Yeah, you can see we are progressing here on the baby octopus. But I gotta tell you, man, the last big pieces, they are the tough ones. I mean, you can wrap them in some lettuce or something, but it's very easy to chew it and swallow it. So actually, at some point, after your jaw hurts from chewing, yeah, you just grab a cup of water and you flush it down all at once. Oh yeah, finished our sumptuous seafood dinner here at the fish market. Yeah, a few of you might say, wow, you didn't have crab, you didn't have fish. Well, we are 2 people, we wanted to have the baby octopus anyway, to try it, right? And Maggie loves the salmon, so those 3 dishes were already plenty, we couldn't even finish. Yeah, and why order more and waste food, right? You can come next 2 days, anytime, because yeah, the fish market is open 24 hours. As usual, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.